What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Thursday after work now. I've just come down to the lockup, gonna pull the cars out or shift crawler out, and then it's raining, so I'm gonna actually put the Easy up over Brawler because it's got no windows and shit, so might as well just put it up over that when Nick gets here, because yeah, Nick's on his way. So yeah, give us a hand, and I think Corey's gonna come and Ra will be down here later on, so yeah, we'll have all the boys in here hopefully, and I think we're just gonna try and we're just gonna put the gearbox back in and the clutch and everything and just do it all again, and then tighten up the bell housing bolts and maybe add one or two more, but yeah, and see if that can kind of yeah, sort the problem. I have heard of RBs like crank walking, like back and forth, but surely fucking hope it's nothing major like that. But yeah, we'll just have to see soon, and yeah, once the boys get here we'll be into it. So yeah, since we care about Brawler, put a marquee over him, shifted Crawler forward, and then these two turned up. So we're all at Ra's shed. He's not even here. He'd be fine.
Oh, that one. Oh, hole, bruh. In the hole, brother.
You struggle with the holes,
bro.
man.
That's like swallowed that. We've got it.
Don't drop it. Alright, so I just went down to Warehouse Auto Parts, grabbed another spigot bush, but I got two because this one looks pretty half-ass. So we're just going to get that out a very agricultural way, and then yeah, put a new one in.
Oh yeah.
He's going mining. Don't break it. Oh, we got it in, and we can tap it in. Tap it in.
Fuck, it does not look fucking square.
Just fucking get a bigger hammer. And just like that.
Oh, bro, you want to see it now?
The bro's on.
Not all cracked up to the edge.
We are good. So we were talking shit while Corey fucking took these up, and they were fine. So that's all tight. So really, we're just gonna bang our clutch back on. Got a bit of fucking Loctite, and then we'll yeah, should be okay. You got an alignment tool, my G? We should have grabbed one of Shannon's ones, like Chapman's gearbox ones. I struggle to put it in the hole. So what the fuck are you doing over there? What have we got? Blue stuff. So that maybe sometimes come off stuff.
Depending.
Well, now fucking much we can crank this motherfucker on. Is it even the right one? Europe. Fancy. Right. How many got to go? So will that pull up tight?
Yeah, it will.
Okay.
Yep. And you'll feel it pull up now. Yeah, opposite. And then go over the yep. Some more on that one. Yep. That one. And you start sequence again. Nice. Go bottom top.
Like harder?
Yep. It's almost stopped now. Yep, it's pulled up. Give it to it.
thing's fucking grumpy, man. I need to go down here. But that one. How much is this? All of it. That's probably too much, but I don't give a fuck.
I don't understand why you got little bottles.
I don't know, because I
Like little things.
don't know, yeah, I'm just used to playing with little things. Don't worry about it.
So what are your talk settings here, brother?
I was just reading the bro Tory and he reckons about 27 or to 30. So we've gone as kind of
Foot-pound.
as, Newton meters. So it's we've gone as low as the fucking torque wrench will actually go. So hopefully, so that one's done.
You put a ring spanner on this thing to hold it on.
Jesus, I've done it tight with the fucking
Milwaukee power.
Milwaukee.
Well, when the flywheel comes, when the pressure plate, when the flywheel comes off and takes your leg off, you can blame Tory and charge him for your
Yeah.
Calf muscle.
yes, and possibly the wheelchair bill and ACC and KFC and DPB, ABC.
That does not feel fucking tight, eh? Or like tight enough.
I need to fucking swear, man.
Stop fucking. Yeah, man, that's fucking.
When we move into the new workshop,
It's gonna be.
we can have a swear jar.
I've got a swear jar at the shack.
Have you?
Yeah.
You put any money in it?
Fuck no. I need an extension. Yeah, I need an extension.
Why?
Because the thing hits the.
The thing.
Oh.
No, just turn it then.
There we go.
Huh? Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
we're good.
Just do this. Take it off.
No, we're good. It's fucking on. I have to do this one all the way the fuck up.
How's that
Alright.
feel?
Fuck, I'm like nervous that doesn't feel. But
Get a smaller
it's a
wrench on.
long way to there, so we'll see.
That's it, Rob.
We need some more RFB forums, dude. But pretty stoked that this clutch has handled what we've given it.
Was the one on the?
What you want? Oh, he's on the little Milwaukee there, man. Yeah, man. Fuck, this car's a sweet. So we're about to put the box in, puts a bit of copper coat on there. That's just what the boys are told to do. Bit of NTC's kind of shit.
And then put a new tube in.
These fellas are just talking shit. Oh, Ra turned up. So we're having a little bit of a mare
And then we got that Dell
because this
top as
spigot
well.
bush is fucking brand new and it's obviously real tight.
We need to pull the engine like we do with the railways.
No, no, it should be alright because the bell housing's out. Sorry, the tunnel's bigger, so you can like make it go up square. Just needs like a perfect push on that spigot, is it?
Is that it there?
No, that's.
Whoa. Fuck is that?
Give it a go up a bit more on the jet.
Yeah. Tighten this thing loose in.
Oh no.
Did you slide that spigot over the shaft first?
Yep.
Aye. Mintes?
Yep.
But yeah, I think when they go in the cranker, they
It's gonna be
It's tight.
Tiny,
It
yeah.
has to be perfect, but that top needs to go up and this needs to come down.
We're having a fucking bad time. So we're just undoing the engine mounts and just gonna tilt the engine up a bit. Just, yeah, my tunnel's cut out, but just not quite enough. It's just scratching my bloody paint, man. Fuck, you fellas are rough. Gosh. What's that like, mate? Lube them up.
Yeah, like G-Rex.
So like these 5-minute jobs that turn into, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
This lockup is not a good time for gearboxes, ma,
If we
bro.
had a dog box, then we'd be all.
No, because, no.
Box, we have probably worse issues.
Yeah, we'd have worse issues with the dog box because that's what happened with that fucking thing.
Oi.
Oh, by the way, look at this fucking setup.
No, don't look at that setup.
Losing the pedal.
Bit of F45.
Oh, boys on, yeah. Gym time, baby.
Sunny motor.
Right. Why don't we just get rid of the fucking jack?
Yeah, you just want to hoist it in and see if you can handle it.
Yep.
Right.
Ready,
You
kid?
want me to move it out of the way? Fuck, it's got to be close.
Is it?
Yep. Yeah. Now bring the jack back.
Get a bolt. Get a bolt. Get a bolt.
Oh, they're all over the fucking ground.
Oh, bring the jack back.
Ooh.
Is it right in this one? Yeah. Very good.
Felt like it went good.
Yeah, the boys.
Old school.
Right, now we need to find all the bolts that have just been falling all over the ground.
Should have grabbed them instantly, cousin.
Yeah, the boys.
We in. We on.
That's all you're
Sweet,
looking at,
so
like, hey, clubbing
the
on.
boys got it in. What are you cunts talking about? Look at these high-vis rollers.
My name's, hey mate.
Oh, these two must have jobs. This fella doesn't.
Here's something.
He's just wearing a free t-shirt that he got from some bro.
Yeah.
Save as. Right, well,
Here's the workers here now, fucking high vis.
yeah, look at it. Right, so we got this on.
I had a high Vince once.
Look at that, we're up in here. And look at that. Fucking got it in first go. You wouldn't fucking believe it. So, yep.
This are the world.
Shut up, faggot. So yeah, it's just slowly putting these, the short shift kit thingy back on, and then Ra is down there changing his, taking the shocks back out of his car so we can put them back in mine. What are you up to, mate?
We're changing the wheels.
Those wheels are dumb.
He's living your dream, bro.
Fuck off.
You see that point?
Alright, so plug the battery back in. We'll
Plug
see
the
if,
battery in.
It's still there.
it's gone. Because like, it would legit be like the whole fucking car. It was fucking bad. Sweet. Now we can put the drive shaft on and fucking we're good. So fix the fucking problem.
Loose bolt.
Stop swearing, bro.
Put spring washers on every bolt.
Spring washers on every bolt. Okay, is that the ticket, is it?
Yep.
Okay. And just all the nuggers.
All my wheel nuts.
Alright, let's fucking put the drive shaft back on, then we can go for a drive.
Street hacks. I'll follow you tandems on the streets.
So, TSDs were in here. Steve Kerr. If you ever want any of these, hit them up. They're in there for Manfield. Do one round.
When do you start, Rob? Next week?
Now we're going to take them out,
When Mother Nature say, probably
put them back in. Format series.
Don't think it'll be as late as Friday.
Well, these guys are mucking around trying to do a drive shaft.
Fucking here and there and shorter hours and longer hours and that sort of thing for a couple of weeks.
Pretty much have these out and ready.
Roger. Trying to keep the fucking eyeballs off it.
Yep.
And then we'll go back into the drive.
Roger. Save up some swing.
Yeah, well, it's fucking.
D2's out.
I've got a fucking boat over Wakatane that needs a bit of
Bit of money.
bit of money. I
Yeah.
had a bit of time and effort.
You just looking at all your stuff? Or?
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know anybody else?
Oh yeah, after you and that one, cuzzy.
Maybe change the rear springs, something a bit lighter. Get it squatting properly.
That's not a good thing, but it's steel.
Guy loves it when they squat, eh?
Yeah.
Is it steel or aluminium?
I'm having a fucking bad time here, man.
I'll race you one drive shaft and I'll change the shocks out.
Yeah, go on.
Aluminium
that's Head him up.
That's so annoying with the red. When I expect the output shaft at the show, bro. Where's my camera? Oh, how far? I'm going all the way. Do you going to do the top bolts?
Imagine being that sponsor.
Fuck, that'd be stoked, eh?
I think there was a. Oh,
Oh, there's like meant to be a piece
oh
there.
there's
but-
meant to be.
No, he doesn't pay enough.
Oh, these are good.
Yes.
These are on. This boy's on.
How far?
Yeah. Where are your keys?
Righto.
Yep.
Hold the boot. Oh, never mind.
Where'd you put that
Oh yeah.
Oh, that one fell out.
Yep.
Brand new
Those
too.
Milwaukee tools are on.
Leave it airy.
Leave it
for
there.
us there, Nick.
Yep.
Take it back to Papamore.
Claim it. Oh, the boys are hungry.
Domino's. Domino's.
What are we having for dinner?
Smuggo.
Tuna sandwich.
No one likes the tuna here, Nicholas. Come on.
I like tuna here.
Do you? You like,
Bro.
you
That
like,
crusty.
you like the fish?
I'm busy.
Online butchers, yeah. Just Google things, just get the website.
Oh, this ain't gonna work.
What the fuck is going on here? Come on.
Fucking do
We need to go for some street. I need to order dinner. I'll get on the Domino's. How's the Milwaukee going for you, man? Unit number. What number are we?
4.
Oh, can't wait. Motorbike. You are fucking that right up.
Whatever works, fucking.
Whatever works, babe.
drinks in the fridge, Nicholas.
Is there any drinks in that little fridge over there?
Nah, I already checked. I wanted to share some Coke,
You want to share a Coke?
but the grams are gone.
The grams. Fuck your shit's gay. Leave it on thin and crispy.
What? Blonde and brunette.
Thin and crispy, Nicholas? Yes?
You know the blonde and a brunette.
You do.
Thin and crispy. Nah.
No, it's
Thick.
classic.
Thick.
Classic.
Thick.
Fuck out.
THICC.
Add to order.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Just doing a lift kit in my 13. And just wrecking my side skirt, you know, like. Look how. Oh, I needed my wheel nut back. Need my wheel nut. Don't put his wheels on the 5 wheel nuts. Give me my one back.
Okay.
Look, you're fucking my side skirt, man. Don't hurt it.
Getting ready for street hacks.
Jesus.
What is going on there?
What the fuck is going on here?
Carry on up, Nick.
Do you want me to bench press the fucking thing? Oopsa!
Can you carry on up, brother?
Oh, yep.
Up, man. Fuck's sake.
Yeah, that's good. I'll see you, Nicholas.
Oh, is this what we're doing? Bay's on. Work smarter, not harder, team.
Fuck
Yeah.
around here, boy.
Right, I'll continue ordering
Yeah, make yourself useful.
Hey!
mega meat lovers. Is that what you cunts want?
No, double cheeseburger or something it's called.
Double bacon cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm onto it.
And what do you want, Nick?
Yeah, that one as well.
Double bacon cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Man, there's so many nice ones that you could choose. Oh, there, that's a nice one though. I'm a fan.
So what do we got in here? We got
GK Tech drop
I just
knuckles.
grabbed my rubber mullet
Yeah.
Take it up a bit more.
for the car might lift off.
Yeah. Nah.
No, not yet.
So when we do a tear down, mate, we're gonna change all these bolts.
Okay.
When is the question?
Yeah.
After Matsuri.
No, fuck off. We've got
Are we
my
doing
car
Matsuri?
and your car to do. This
Huh?
fucking you
Are we
fuck.
doing material or what?
Yep. Because of these guys making it happen.
Yeah, the boys.
Who? Where's the 70mm ring? Sorry,
The good thing about this is we're finally going to be low.
Yeah, because Ralph slammed it when he put it on.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It's still not even that low, though. We should go down more.
Okay.
Well, we've got about 40mm and a ring to remove.
And a ring to
Fuck
remove.
that wheel sitting there, so it's good.
Yeah, that's what I said. You're wrecking my shit. I didn't wreck it. What do we got going? Oh, I got it.
Let's grab your rubber mullet.
How's about we just fucking... Oh, boy. Oh, no. Down a touch. Yeah.
Oh, that whole knuckle just moved.
Traction arm.
You know what I'm getting this cunt for his birthday? A $4 rubber mallet.
True. When's your birthday?
Oh, fuck knows.
Any day of the week.
Do you not know when his birthday is?
No, he's the king, bro. He doesn't have a fucking birthday. It's every fucking day. Boy.
That's a fucking
That's a wheel nut. It's a wheel nut. Oh, boy.
Fucking mob.
Oh, sweet ass. Smoko's here. So, yeah. Fuck up with your SR shit.
Fucking hairy.
Oh, boy's on. Wait, do you know how small have they got? Like, straight the fuck up.
Get that hand away from it.
You just got a big hand right now.
Hey, you know what they say about big hands?
Small dick.
Big gloves, G. Righto, Smoko's over. We're on. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, we're going to take this for a quick little drive and see, yeah, the vibration is gone, I hope. Well, it is from when it was stationary, so hopefully that's, yeah, all we need. So we're just going to pack our Smoko table up. Try to warm that fucking thing up. And yeah, see what we can, see how it goes. Hopefully it's alright. We'll just go up and down the road, like nothing stupid or anything. Yeah, it should be all good. So it's fumy as fucking here, but yeah, got our cars here. And cousin Andy just turned up. Trying to come get his tent back, but it's actually occupied.
Later on tonight, we might drop to a video from Mexico.
Hey. It's all good, we got an interior light. So yeah. Only got one working headlight, so we'll see how this goes. Oh sweet, yeah, so my car went fine. Clutch feels actually better than it used to, so I don't know. Maybe because it's actually engaging properly and shit, it'll be sweet. And then, yeah. Whew. Good times.
All of these coming in and out enough times now, bro.
Push you, bitch. Yeah, hey, like, bro, have some fucking pride in your shit, cunt. It's all the world, fucking woohoo! Alright guys, it's time to head home. It's been a good night. Stoked as my car is good to go. And yeah, we're...
It's all the world.
Fuck up! This SR shit. I don't know. I really don't know. I think my friend's a bit fucking sick. But yeah, we're gonna turn off our lights here, wherever the cord is. And yeah, wow, either, bro. Let's turn these off, eh? Holy shit. Got it. Whew. Alright guys, we will see you all in the next video. Not sure what it's going to be. We have a Choice Events crew weekend away this weekend, so yeah, won't be much on the cars. But yeah, everything's good to go, and we'll just get it tidied up, do a bolt check and all that, and we'll be mint. So yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next video. These little homos and the cousin Ra. Cheers for having me in the shed, mate. And yeah, look at this.
You should start doing throwback videos to when we were in Mexico and the Easter.
Oh, from years ago.
Yeah.
Oh, years ago. I might add it.
Peek in the background.
All right, I might put I've found some old footage of Ra back in the day,
When COVID wasn't here,
and myself back in the day. Like shit, this is before we were doing anything with like these kind of cars. So yeah, I might put that on at the end of the video, but we'll see. All right, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Cheers.
Don't comment.
What are we doing next time?
It sounds gay.